In Elsa, you can add contributors and reviewers directly to your project to make collaboration easier and more efficient. Editors, authors, and content managers all have the ability to add contributors or reviewers. Contributors do not have this ability, and they can only edit and view chapters to which they are added. If they are not added to a chapter as contributors, they will not have permission to edit the chapter or view it. To add contributors or reviewers, navigate to the Team tab from the project overview. Go to the By Chapter menu to start. You can add contributors to chapters or to front or back matter elements. Click on Add Edit Chapter Team to start inviting. In this side panel, you will have the option to invite contributors and also reviewers if there is a step for them in the workflow. Talk to your content manager if the option to invite reviewers is grayed out. Click on Add Contributors. You can search for existing users with their email address or use Create New User. A new user would be someone who does not have an existing Elsa account and is not added to any other project in Elsa. To create a new user, click on the option and enter their name, surname, and email address. Note that if the email address already exists in Elsa, you will be notified and you can click on Cancel to return to the previous screen and search with their email address instead. Once you've finished adding your contributor details, click on Create. You can add additional contributors by selecting them from the list or continue to create new users. And once you're finished, click on Add. Elsa will ask you to confirm, and if you do, these contributors will receive an invitation in their inbox immediately, and they will appear on the side panel. You can now indicate if a contributor is a senior contributor by using the Assign Senior Contributor option. Only one contributor per chapter can be designated as senior, and they are responsible for coordinating chapter content, submitted it on time, and they generally are the main point of contact for the chapter. When you indicate a user is a senior contributor on a chapter, they will also receive a senior contributor agreement rather than a contributor agreement. You can alter the order of the contributors by using the arrows, or remove any contributor at any stage if needed using the bin icon. Adding reviewers is very similar to adding contributors. To add a reviewer, click on the Add Reviewers option and either search for an existing user or select Create New and enter their name, surname, and email address, then click on Create. If you need your reviews to be blind, consult with your content manager, since they have the ability to make the reviewers blind, but also manage the type of access that reviewers get, either read-only or with editing capabilities. Blind reviewers will be anonymized on the team page to all project members except the content managers. After you have added all the reviewers, you can click on Add. Again, Elsa will ask you for confirmation, and if you do confirm, the invitation will be sent immediately. If you need to, you can remove reviewers using the bin icon next to their name. From the team page or members view, content managers, editors, and authors can check the status of an invite. The orange clock icon next to a contributor or a reviewer will indicate that the invitation is still pending, and you can use the Resend Invite button to remind them of the invitation. You can also resend multiple invitations by clicking on the Bulk Resend Invite button in the top toolbar. The invitation will be sent to everyone who has still pending as a status. The activity date next to some contributors or reviewers refer to the last activity in Elsa, not necessarily in this project. If you need more help or you would like to check out some frequently asked questions or other how-to articles, you can visit our support center by clicking on the question mark icon in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, you can also contact one of our Elsa support specialists by clicking on the Support Center tab and navigating to Contact Elsa.